In this video, we'll walk you through how to prepare and send a document for signing in Signify. First, click the New Document button, then select and upload the file you want to send. Next, enter the recipient's details. If you are also one of the signers, make sure to include your own information as well. In the first field, enter the recipient's full name and next to it, their email address. If you prefer not to send the document by email, you can choose to send it via SMS by clicking the @ icon and entering the recipient's phone number. Or you can copy the link and share it via WhatsApp or other tool. You can add recipients from here or here, both options work the same. Now let's add the second signer's details and their email. Each recipient should have a role assigned. For example, they can be a signer, an approver, or a CC recipient who simply receives a copy of the signed document. There's also a witness role, which can be used if you want someone to verify the signing process during in-person meetings, and forwarder, which forwards the document to the signer. We have a separate video explaining this topic in more detail, so feel free to check it out. If you enable the signing order, the document will be sent to the second signer only after the first signer completes their part. If you leave it unchecked, the document will be sent to all recipients simultaneously. You can also manage each recipient's permissions. For instance, you can disable the option to download the document or audit trail, receive completed document, add comments, forward, or view the cover page. Next, you can define the authentication method required for each recipient. Authentication can be set for document opening or for signing. For example, you can require SMS verification. To do so, just enter the recipient's phone number, and they'll receive a one-time code to access the document. You can also require video identification, where the signer needs to scan their passport and record a video selfie. If more than one is selected, the recipient will be able to choose one of the authentication methods. Let's move on. We need to define where each signature field will appear. Select the first recipient, drag the signature field onto the document. Then select the second recipient and place their signature field. As you can see, there are other fields available. You can either require the recipient to fill in the information or enter that information yourself if you select the sender action. We have a separate video on this topic called Form Fields, where you can find more details. Once all signature fields are placed, you can either click Send Now or go to the final step. Here you can define the document name, notification language, the message text, whether signature request is sent from you or your company, whether the avatar should be visible to the recipient, document access period, how many reminders should be sent, and in which folder the document should be stored and which tag should have. After you've set everything up, click Send, and your document will be sent for signing. If you're one of the signers, you'll also see the option to proceed to signing.